Guys, welcome back to How to DIY and Save a Dime. I am going to share grocery haul. A lot of you love the grocery haul, so that's why I share the things that I buy. I did really good. I only got like 3 things that was like sweets. I didn't do a lot of junk. I did a lot of vegetables and produce and stuff, which is good. And y'all know I'm a pescatarian, so I did a lot of the seafood. So we're going to start from this end. Most of this stuff is from Aldi's. If I name it without telling you where it is, mainly everything is from Aldi's. I'm going to just go with the stuff that's not. This vegan mayo, this cheesecake, those albacore tunas, and this big 5-gallon thing of water, which is a refill, is from Kroger's. Everything else is from Aldi's, if I'm not mistaken. I believe I am correct. Oh, and the halos are from Kroger's as well. So from here we got some sweet butter lettuce, a blend of butter, red lettuce, red leaf lettuce, and some other lettuces. And then we have some strawberries, the halos, some fresh green beans, 2 big cucumbers, some scallions, some blackberries, and we have 2 spinaches, some Parmesan cheese, some crushed minced garlic, some mushrooms, some veggie broth, some chocolate chip muffins for Rizzy to make, 2 bags of scallops, 2 bags of shrimps, and 3 bags of skinless salmon, some hash browns. We have some applesauce, some Jiffy Mix, some caramel cakes, some cauliflower, some cabbage, red grapes, another bag of spinach, and over here we have some butter gold, Boomer Gold. I used to get butter gold, but Boomer Gold potatoes, some grapeseed oil, some French vanilla creamer, some vanilla caramel creamer, some brown sugar. You guys seen the cheesecake. I don't know how this tastes. Hopefully it tastes good. A pineapple, some albacore tuna, some vegan mayo, and we have some apple juice, some orange juice, some cranberry juice, and some grape juice. And then I never had their pods cocoa, but I wanted to try it, so I got some milk chocolate cocoa, some cookies and cream ice cream, and some butter pecan ice cream. Now the ice cream is bomb. I also have a video on how I make my old-fashioned oats on the stove. Oh my gosh, and I've got so many comments on how great and how tasty it is. I love old-fashioned oats. I don't love quick or instant oatmeal. I like to cook it, and I have a amazing recipe, so go check that out on my channel. And if I don't remember to leave the link, it is under my cooking videos. Look for oatmeal, how to make old-fashioned oatmeal. So yeah, this is my haul. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you thumbs up the video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you join the family by going and clicking the subscribe button, and also clicking the notifications, which is the bell button, so that way every time I load a new video, you are notified of it and you will not miss out on the videos. If you have any questions or any comments, please leave them below. I'll be sure to get back to you, and I will see you guys later, Gators.